how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then actually launch the Cash App on your phone. So basically once you launch the Cash App, you will see this type of interface. By default you're going to be on this, where you have to switch to the little home icon from the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you'll see all these sorts of options. Depending upon whether you're using from UK or the US, your interface could actually be a little bit different. So over here you just want to go to the option called Buy Bitcoin. As you can clearly see over here, just tap on the Buy Bitcoin tab, and then over here all you need to do is just tap on the Get Started button. Now in order to buy Bitcoin, you first need to have verified your identity. So if you don't know how to verify your identity, you can also watch our other videos where we've already showed you how you can verify your Cash App identity. Then just tap on the Buy Bitcoin button and just select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. You can also change your order type over here. You can auto invest or custom purchase order if you want. If you want to select a custom amount of the worth of Bitcoin you want to buy, tap on the three dots here. Let's say I want to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. I'll just select them and then I'll just tap on the next button. Now once I tap on next, it will ask me to confirm my phone number. So go ahead and then actually enter your phone number and then confirm it. Once you've confirmed your phone number, you will be able to successfully verify your identity, enter a payment method, and then purchase this Bitcoin. That's all it takes to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.